You didn't go into business to fight with systems all day. You had a vision of what your business was supposed to be. It was streamlined, automated, and simple. And then you opened SuiteDash, and it felt like someone handed you the entire cockpit instead of a steering wheel. Your workflows are half finished, your client experience is clunky at best, and deep down, you're not even sure any of it is right. Whether you're just getting started or trying to fix what never really worked, this is your next step. A smarter way to build, a simpler way to learn, and a coaching experience built entirely around you. The Captain's Journey is for people who want SuiteDash to finally work the way they hoped it would. Maybe you've just signed up and don't know where to start. Or maybe your portal is halfway there, but it's clunky or confusing. Or maybe you tried building it yourself, and now you're really stuck. If this sounds like you, keep watching to learn more. This program wasn't created on a whim. It came from real people asking for a better way, over and over. I kept hearing things like, I don't want another course. I don't want someone to just build it and leave. I want to actually understand my system. The Captain's Journey is that better way. You send your real-world questions. We respond with step-by-step help. Screenshots, videos, and real-world answers tailored to your setup. No meetings, no time zone confusion, just solutions. And you're not doing this alone. Inside our private community, business owners share what's working, ask smarter questions, and grow together without the noise of social media. Every week, we go live and cover hot seat issues, new platform features, and rapid-fire Q&A. Don't worry if you can't make it. All meetings are recorded, so you can catch the playback on your own time. Everything in this program is designed for one thing: your independence. You'll stop second-guessing, stop cobbling things together, stop wondering if you're doing it right. You'll know, and you'll own it. If you're ready to stop treading water, if you're ready for clarity, confidence, and a SuiteDash system that truly fits your business, this is your chance to take control. Click the link in the description below to learn more about the Captain's Journey. We'll meet you there.